Good morning, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2015 Chrysler Town & Country Touring. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let's take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. And then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. But as you can see, it has the tinted windows, the roof rack. Does have the backup camera. Let me get the other angle over there before I start popping it. It's power lift gate, power sliding doors, all of that. And again, so I'm just cramped here between a vehicle. So what I'll do is I'll pop all these doors in the back there for you. They're really clean. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Let me just get up front here first. Excuse me. Power windows, power locks. Has the rolled leather there. Power seat. Let's get the condition of that. I don't see any rips, tears, or stains. They are the captain's chairs, as you can see. Again, no rips, tears, or stains. The DVD player up there has an accent lighting, which is really nice, especially at night. Now these captain's chairs in the middle do stow and go all the way into the floor, so you can put those away. Let's get the back seat here for you, or the third row I should say. Again, no rips, tears, or stains. DVD player there. I know the glare is killing it, sorry guys. I can control the rear air, all of that. And then again, stow and go back here as well. So let's go ahead and double tap that guy. Close these doors up here. Try to block the glare the best I can for you here. We'll get some features up front. Control the radio there. There's a Bluetooth phone capability. Let's try to block the glare the best I can. We got the media center here. We got the Eco. You want to run it in the Eco. And then up here you can control pop doors, the trunk, all of that stuff there. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Should have probably done this before I did the video walk around. Pop the hood, figure out where the latch is. I think I found it. There we go. Alright guys, now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others. Now all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things. All of our vehicles, they come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. We hold an A+ with Better Business Bureau. All our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client. And that includes after the sale, and that's huge for me. There's a mileage there. Anymore, it doesn't seem it's so important where people buy their rigs from, which is kind of crazy to me. I'd want to buy a rig from somebody I knew that was going to take care of me in case something happened. But generally that's not the case. But let's turn this up.
Advertise with We96.
Stereo works great. Let's put it in backup camera there. I'll turn on some lights. And we'll go back to the engine here. If I can find the latch, there we go. Burn along beautifully. Well, hopefully that helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. You know, I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time.